sweet people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating a crochet earring like this. So to create this type of earrings, what you'll be needing is, as you all can see, this is black and white. So I'm gonna be using black and white yarn, and as this is crochet, you need the crochet needle and earring hooks. Oh, there's a lot. I just need one, so I'm gonna get one because I've already done one out of this pair. So let's start. So as the middle is white of this, I'm gonna be using white in this one as well. So to start off with, I'm gonna make a slip knot like this, and without tightening it up, I found an easy method to make circles like this. I'm just going to maybe I'll show again. You do the slip knot like this, and when you pull one part out, this is like this. Now put the needle from here, okay? Don't tighten this up. Put the crochet needle from here and start doing single crochet. No, not single crochet, double, yeah. Wait, I'm not sure. It's single crochet. So here chain one to start off with, then do single crochet. One, we have to wait. 2, 3, wait, 4, nope, this one's wrong. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when you are done with the 8, there's like a still part is remaining over here. No, when you pull this, corner, wait, yes, it's gonna tighten up and make a circle, perfect circle. And now leave this to attach in the end. We are going to do 2 double crochets per one. Yeah, 2 double crochets per 1 single crochet. Okay, so to start off with 1 single crochet, then put it to the next chain, yarn over, forgot, yarn over, put through this, yarn over, pull out. Now there's 3, yarn over, pull out through 2, yarn over, pull out through 1, and do 2 for this. Again 2 for the next one. While doing that, wait, it's dark, let me change the lighting again. Okay, so now we are in the next one. Do 2 double crochets per each one. Now while doing this, I'll explain. Sorry for not looking at the camera, but I have to explain this while doing it, because I don't want to take more time to explain that. I was planning on doing something new from today onwards, to increase the growth of my YouTube channel, as I think I haven't posted for like last whole month. So I thought of doing 45 vlogs, like every day straight till 2020. So like when I counted the days, there were like 45. So I'm gonna be vlogging for 45 days. So vlogging as in like not the whole day, but like today's vlog is I'm gonna be crocheting crochet earrings. So this is my vlog 001, I guess. Yeah, and I'm gonna be doing 45 for straight every day. So hope you guys will stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, and I'll be creating new stuff every day. Like everything will be like creative content as we I'll be making more crochet earrings, more crochet garments, or new hairstyles, new thrift flips, many more is coming up. You'll just have to wait for it. I mean, like, it's nothing much. From today onwards it's starting. All you gotta do is stay tuned with my channel by subscribing to my channel. Oh, as I don't think I said in this video yet, if you all cannot understand crocheting, you all can check out my YouTube video, which is my first video. I think it was about crocheting for beginners. I'll attach the link down below, and on top right corner, which is this, I don't know how this is going to come. Anyhow, it's going to be in the top right corner. Or y'all can maybe comment down if y'all have any issues, or drop me a message through Instagram if y'all have any issues, to my or I'm saying so many years, to my official as in to my personal account, or y'all can drop a message to my design page as well. I'll be adding the links to my personal account, my design page, and my craft page as well. Craft page, mostly the crafts are, like most of the crafts are done by mom, because like she's like really good at making handmade stuff, I could say. So y'all can purchase any of those from my accounts. I'll be adding the links to both the my craft store and my design store in the bio. Like in design store, I create crochet items, and I do digital portraits. I do digital fashion sketches. I create logos, Lightroom presets, and I create sticker presets as well. You can just I've done some YouTube channel covers as well. Just ask me whatever you want to get done. If I'm doing it, I'll definitely say yes for that. All you have to do is just follow the account and drop me a message. So the first half of the circle is done, like this white part. So I'm gonna be joining the black yarn now. There's the end. Oh my gosh. Wait. I'm gonna be cutting the white one now first. Cut keeping the white yarn as I get in the edge of the black yarn, and attaching that over here. To keep this more oh no, I don't think we can do that, but because the black one seems too short, can create a knot like this. Yarn over, pull out both the black and white remaining yarns out of this. Yes, I did it. And now that's done. We can now again, even this is the third row, like first row. No, yeah, sorry, yeah, this is the third row, like first row, just double crochets. No, there was only one row, I guess. No, two. One double crochet, another one with 8 double crochets. The second row, 2 double crochets per each double crochet. Now another line with 2 double crochets per each double crochet. Wait. Chain 1, yarn over, put through this. Wait. 1. Okay, 2 for that, then another 2 for the next one. Just drop down in the comments if you want me to create like any other kind of crochet products, like if you want a tutorial on anything like a beanie, bucket hat, cardigan, and another type of earrings, another type of necklaces, because I've created a choker before. Then maybe, what do you call, a crochet skirt, crochet tops, crochet hairband, crochet scrunchies, crochet bandanas. There are many things. Just let me know. Anyhow, even if you say or not, there are some content I'm planning to bring up. I'll give a hint. No need of a hint. I'll just say it out. Like crochet bandanas and scrunchies. I've done like 2 scrunchies for now. I could show you all that as well. Just let me finish this. Okay, there's like another full half more in this to be done. I won't be recording that part. Oh, okay, I'm sorry, but these two looks different, right? I think I did a mistake. Yeah, I've done 2 single crochets per each chain in this one, so I mean, like, this is gonna look great as well, but I wanted to create another one for this because it's going to be a pair. Then if they don't match, it's gonna be so unusual and no use, no? So I'm just gonna remove this black one. Whew. See, it doesn't take much time to remove it when comparing with the time to crochet, the time it takes to crochet. So I'm gonna be doing single crochets. So first one, then, and here, yarn over, pull out through both. Again, no yarn over, put through the chain, yarn over, pull out through both. And now go to the next one, yarn over, pull out, then third one, yarn over, pull out. Okay, this is going great, but I think this is the right one. Let's just see after doing another one. Okay, let me check. Give me a second. Yeah, I think it's correct. So let me do the rest and show you how to do the ending. Oh no, I know what I did was wrong. It's not two single crochets. It should be 3 single crochets per one. Sorry, my bad. I did this around like 2 weeks ago. I cannot remember actually, that's the thing. Memory issues. And so nope, no, you're nervous. I think you all can remember. I mean, like it's 3, not 2. So like you all know, right? So 1, 2, 3. Go to the next one. 1, 2, 3. Next one. 1, 2, 3. Next one. 1, 2, 3. Next one. I think this is coming out good. Let's just see after this. 1, 2, 3. Get my notification. Yeah, it's coming in the same way. All I gotta do is put this inside and cut and wrap it around. Okay, let me do the rest. I'll show you all the ending. This time it's for you. I'm gonna show the ending because this is the right way, I think. Just remember 3 single crochets per 1 double crochet in the 3rd row. Okay, so I'm done with this now. I attached the ending with a slip knot, and I attached the like remaining yarns to the sides as well. And this is how the tool looks like. It looks similar, right? This doesn't look like a perfect circle. I don't know what's wrong with it. Yeah, like it will look good. So to attach this, I left a spot somewhere here, I guess. I'm gonna make the hole a bit bigger, like doing like this, and like in this one, like it's actually kind of open. Can you see it? Like I covered. I don't think y'all can see. Anyhow, what I'm gonna do is like pull this out from here. It's like a hook over here as well. So I'm just gonna pull this out. Wait, no, and that. See, here are the 2 perfect earrings which I made. I think look good. Anyhow, so that's it for today's video. This is the end of vlog 001. There's going to be 44 more. Stay tuned with my channel to see all the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment down below if you like it, or like if you have any queries about it. And don't forget to share it among your friends who you think would like this. And stay safe and take care. See y'all tomorrow. Bye bye.